Guess where I'm going right now? I'm going to the apartment. But first, I want to get Starbucks because I'm starving, and for some reason I didn't feel like going to the dining hall, even though it would have been free and probably easier. Okay, Starbucks has been mobile ordered. So I'm going to the apartment, and I am so excited. This is the first time I've seen it since it's been ours. The first time that I went was when we were going for the tour, which if you want to see that, it's in the apartment hunting vlog. And I also kind of explained our moving situation too, because it's gonna be a very like weird gradual move. So go watch that video if you want to know a little more about when we're moving, all that stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited. This is the first time that I'm actually gonna go like see it and be able to take my time. Also, Rachel couldn't come with me because I'm pretty sure she has class today because it is a Friday when I'm filming this. But I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm gonna grab Starbucks and I will be on my way. Okay, I have made it to the apartment. Also, I apologize for the echo. There is literally nothing in here. But are you guys ready to see which one we chose? Leave your final guess in the comments, and if you get it right, you get bragging rights. Okay. This echo is really bad. I will give you guys an empty apartment tour. We'll make this somewhat quick. So starting off, I'm in the living room. This is what it looks like when you first walk in. Also, don't mind this. We obviously haven't done anything in terms of like moving in yet, and so this will not be here. Also, this place is not clean. I will tell you guys that right now. Keep in mind, this is my first time walking in here since getting the keys, so it's still very dirty from when they were like renovating it and everything, so it'll be cleaned this weekend. But then you walk into the kitchen. Here is what it looks like. Very cute kitchen. This was newly renovated. This is like the perfect spot to put my camera. Also, this will be gone. I don't know why it hasn't been removed yet. That's what they told us when we first toured it, that like it would get removed. I don't know why it's still here, honestly. So we're gonna figure out something to do with that, but it will not stay here. It's blocking our view of the fridge, but this is what it looks like. It has its own little cutout, which I think this is the cutest thing ever. And then this room right here is Rachel's room. I'll let her show you guys a little bit more of her room. And then you walk into my room. So this is my room. It's very cute. I love all the windows. And then here is my closet. I am not sure why there's no doorknob, but we'll fix that. And then this is what the closet looks like. And then here is the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. I'm really liking this lighting right now. But anyways, that was the entire apartment. Also, I can't really take a step back to show you because the tub is right here, but I'm wearing this shorty suit from Set Active and I'm obsessed with these. This is part of their Hawaii collection, so I love all the colors. Also, this necklace is from En Route. It's Ava Jules collection with them. I don't know why I decided to do a whole outfit of the day right here, but there you go. There's really good lighting in this apartment. I'm so excited. Okay, I can't even like walk in this place because it is like so loud because of all the echoing. I grab my keys and my phone, and I'm gonna go grab stuff from the car. I will be right back. Okay, update everybody. It is probably like an hour later, maybe. I'm not sure. It's been a while, honestly. I moved some stuff in, just like cleaning supplies, stuff for when we stay here this weekend. And then also I ran into the property manager slash landlord. I'm not really sure exactly what his title is, but talked to him for a while, and guess what? The armoire is gone. I think the neighbors are taking it. I also got to meet one of our neighbors, and they were so nice. I'm very glad that the armoire is gone. And now I can actually see if like a table would fit right here, because we were thinking possibly of putting our little kitchen table right here against the wall. I'm still not sure how well it would fit. Oh my gosh, I can finally open the fridge door. Ah, how exciting. This is such a good spot to set up the camera. Like literally we can just be like cooking. The camera can be right here. This is, oh my gosh, I'm excited. So I decided I was gonna give you guys an apartment haul of random stuff that I brought with me to the first day of living in this apartment, or not living here. You know what I mean. Okay, we got paper towels. We also got toilet paper, but I moved it to the bathroom, and then I realized that I should film this haul. So next we got dish soap, glass cleaner. I have the shower rings for the shower curtain, a bunch of like rags, more rags, cleaners, Lysol. I have these cute dish towels that I got from Marshalls, and they're super cheap, and then they're just like all kinds of different like prints. Some like sponges, more rags, paper plates for first times that we eat here and stuff. Just a bunch of cleaning stuff, utensils, a bunch of soap, a little scrubber thing, and a tape measure. And then in this bag we have the shower curtain, sheets for an air mattress, a ring, doorbell, and then I got this little disco ball from the Melrose Trading Post. I should see what it looks like in the sunlight because I'm gonna hang this up in my room at some point. Shower curtain liner, a toilet cleaner. Oh, my camera's about to die. Okay, let's make this quick. This little cookie jar that Brayden got me, and it's thrifted. Another cup. This is a filter for the Brita that I brought. I brought some trash bags, and I brought my film camera because I thought it would be fun to take like some pictures of the apartment empty. Also brought a trash can. So I'm gonna start kind of putting things away and then do my thing at 3 and then head back to my dorm. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it is apartment move-in day 2. My mom is here. She's helping me clean and just move in and everything. Mom, you wanna say hi? Hi! We're just cleaning right now, so there will be a lot of cleaning montages happening in this vlog. And Rachel and our friend Maria are on their way, and also Brayden is on his way. So there will be a bunch of people in here just cleaning. And I think Rachel and Maria are bringing Starbucks, so I'm excited for that. So now you're here. Out of the way, Austin. An IKEA haul. I did not film while we were in IKEA because it is a very interesting experience and a very overstimulating experience too. So I don't know, I literally feel like I could take a nap right now, but we're gonna do an IKEA haul. So this little dish rack, little dust pan thing. We got a bunch of mugs because we like having a bunch of different like random fun mugs. So we just got one of like a bunch of different fun colors. So we have this little pink one. We got a couple like glass ones. I'm obsessed with these actually. I really like these. I don't know where the other one is, but we got 2 of these too. We got these little green bowls. I don't know where the pitcher is, but we got this little pitcher to put these flowers in. We got one of these things. I don't know what they're called. These blue plates. They're a bunch of different like patterns. We got some oven mitts. We got this ice cube tray, this little green mug, this cream mug. We got this dish drying mat. I grabbed some plastic bags. Got some hand towels for the bathroom, an ice cream scooper, a little silverware organizer. We got this like dish rag, little measuring things. We got this fake plant. We got this for the utensils, and then we got this silverware set. We got a set of these glasses. They look like this and they're just clear. Oh, we got this soap dispenser. There's a little pitcher for these flowers. And that is everything. Oh, I totally forgot. We also got a table, but we haven't built it yet, so I'll show you guys once it's done. But that is everything that we got from IKEA. First apartment. Okay, my mom left a little bit ago and we ate our acai bowls and everything. They were really good. And now we are building the table that we got from IKEA. So here's what like the tabletop looks like. You guys will obviously see it when it's done, but we have to break out the drill, and we are also watching the Kardashians on the speaker. Also, we don't have internet, so we can only use our phones right now. We can't use the TV yet. Internet will be set up tomorrow though. We just finished building the table and we put it in the spot that it's gonna go. Also, it's not going in the kitchen because it just doesn't really fit in this space right here. I don't know, you would think just by looking at it that it would be fine, but once you actually like measure everything, it just like would be super crammed and weird. So we were thinking of having it like by this window right here, and it's just a very cute little spot. We got this thing from IKEA to put on it. Oh yeah, I showed you guys last night. Okay, here it is with the little picture on it. I think it looks really cute, but also I just realized I totally forgot to say we haven't gotten chairs yet because they were out of stock, but we were obviously going to. It's not just gonna be like an empty table.